Okay, here's that Homelight 30cc weed trimmer that I got for free at a garage sale that I had in my other video. I got a carb kit put in it, and I cleaned the carburetor and changed out the gas line, and runs pretty good. So that's really a pretty simple fix to keep your weed whacker going. I think the carburetor kit on eBay was like $5. You just get the kit, put it in, use some carb cleaner to clean out the jets and the air compressor and a little compressed air to make sure they're clean. Reassembled it, put some new gas line on it, and fired it up. Had to make some slight adjustments to the carburetor because, like normal, they've been cranking on them trying to get them to run right, so they're pretty far out of adjustment. But if you do your base setting, screw the jet all the way in till it bottoms out snugly. Don't crank it way down tight, but just so it's snug. Back it out about one turn on each of them, the low speed and the high speed. And from there you can get it running at least, and make some finer adjustments on the low and high speed to get it to run the way you want it to. So pretty simple. Comment if you want, or subscribe, and hopefully that helps you out and saves you a little money on buying weed whackers every 3 years.